is deriving actionable insights from data. This is what I call data science, but I've given it another name. A lot of people call it a lot of different things. You can see pattern recognition, machine learning, anomaly detection. I call it data activation, because if the data is sort of dead and inactive and in a dusty corner somewhere, or frankly has never been collected or created at all, it's worthless. But as soon as you make it alive and you give it a purpose, then you can start to ask questions like, how do I feed people better? And work through a really clear, well-defined process. So data activation 101 is first about asking the question always. Second, about going out and finding the data you need. In this case, it was mass spectrometer data coming off of the lab that analyzes samples from both the feed and the food as it's coming back in from both sides, and comparing the results so that we can create lovely little charts like that. Then we prepare the data, get into a format, and get it into a place where it can be accessed and used reasonably well, both by human beings for eventually doing data science and by other computational processes. This is where the scale comes from. If you can wrap a piece of data in an API or put it in a notebook environment for doing data science, everything changes. Then we do some analysis and we say to ourselves, here's the question we're trying to ask. Here's the question we're trying to answer, and here are the answers we're getting with the data we have. Does it make any sense at all? Notice I haven't really said that I'm doing any data science yet. I'm just trying to get ready. Everybody tries to skip these 3 steps.